You are welcome to our channel, and in today's episode we're going to be talking about how to care for the umbilical cord of a newborn. Are you ready? Of course you are. I'll see you shortly. You're welcome back to our channel. My name is Morayo Ahunaya, and together with you, we host this channel. Currently, we are on a journey together that explores how to make life better for new dads and new moms. Today, we are learning about something very, very, very important. It is small, right? But it is important, and that is how to care for the umbilical cord of your newborn. When your child is born or being born, there's this long line or tube that connects the child to the mom. And when the child is born or when the child comes out, that long line is clamped at some point and a scissors is taken through to snip it at the point of the clamp. It may be done by the father or it may be done by the doctor. I know my doctor offered my husband the scissors to cut it. I don't even remember if he did, but yeah, that lifeline or support or that long thread, that pipe is cut. So what is that pipe? What is that long thread and how do you take care of it? That thing, that long line, that long thread, that pipe is called the umbilical cord. And during the time of baby's fetal development, when baby was in the womb, that was baby's lifeline, literal lifeline. That cord connected baby to mommy, and it supplied baby with oxygen, with air, with water, with food, with everything that baby needed, literally everything that baby needed from mommy. So now that baby is outside or newborn is outside, definitely that lifeline is not needed again. But you still have to take care that you treat it properly or it can cause complications later on. So the first thing that you want to do when your baby is handed back to you is to learn how to care for your baby completely. And a set of instructions will be given to you from the clinic. I want you to take note of those instructions and follow them to the letter, okay? Irrespective of what I say in this video, I want you to take those instructions and do what? Follow them to the letter. Typically, the cord should dry up into a stump, like a tree, like a leaf. It will dry up, become brown and hard, dry up in about a week to 3 weeks. So no force or rush. It will dry up once you keep it clean and dry. And how do you do this? First of all, don't let water be touching it too frequently. If you can, for the first few days after you bring baby home, you don't have to bath baby. According to the World Health Organization, the cervix caseosa is supposed to be being absorbed in that time. But if you want to bath baby, it is advised that you do something that we Nigerians call rub and shine. And how do you do rub and shine? You get 2 bowls of water. One, you fill it with soapy water that you've put maybe bubble bath inside, and another is just clean, clear, warm water, clean water. And then you put your 2 sponges or your 2 washcloths inside. You take the first one, which is also warm bubble bath, and you clean baby in all the relevant places. Please, you don't have to clean that cord with soapy water or anything like that. Just clean around it, and you clean the baby's entire body. And then with the clean water, you wipe off the soapy excesses. You dry baby, and you don't have to rub anything. Don't rub Vaseline, don't rub engine oil, don't put breast milk, don't put anything on the cord. If at all, if you want to put anything, take a swab of cotton wool and mentholated spirit. And even that, they say is not necessary. But if you really want to do it, or if it's because that's what they advise me to do in my clinics, and you clean around the stump and clean the stump itself, that's about it. Please do not wear diapers on it. You fold the diaper over because it needs to be dry. It needs to be drying. And within a week to 3 weeks, it would fall off. no rush, no force. I remember there was a force around my baby's stump falling because in the hospital, circumcision would typically be allowed only if the baby's cord is fallen. And we're going to talk about circumcision in the coming episode on Sunday. Circumcision will only be allowed if the baby's cord is, fallen. And so my mom-in-law was very worried that when would this thing fall off, because she wanted it to be within the biblical circumcision period, which is about 8 days. And funny enough, his cord fell off on the 7th day, and on the 8th day we could do the circumcision. But there's no force, there's no hurry, okay? There's no force. It will typically fall off within 1 or 3 weeks. Don't go and use lantern to say you want to burn it. Please and please and please, God bless you and God bless us as we do this. I'll see you guys in the next episode where we're going to be talking about circumcision, which is very relative to male newborn children. I will see you then. Bye.